So today I'm going to walk you through the remote racking process with the Remote Solutions Safety Rack product on a Masterpact NW breaker. So this particular breaker uses a Cubicle kit that's provided for each breaker, and it consists of a shaft here and a clip here that simply screws onto the front. The shaft here replaces where your racking shaft would store, so you simply remove this, insert the shaft, and tighten the end acorn nut here, and that is all that is included with the installation portion. To physically rack the breaker, you have a drive bracket, and everything is color coded with labels. On the bottom of the drive bracket there is a tool adapter you remove. This bracket simply slides over and has a lock on the end here. To install this bracket, simply slide it onto the slides here, and then it slides to the right and locks into place. Your little lock tab here will lock into place on your red shaft here. The next part, you insert your tool adapter here. On this particular breaker, you have to push the trip button to open it, and you ensure that that is inserted into place. The next part, you have our SRU motor or portable kit, the 28 volt lithium ion battery. You take your tool adapter out of the top here, slides into place and locks into place here. Your ring set has a latch here, so if you pick that up and turn it, it'll stay up out of the way. And you insert your motor and lock your lock pin into place. Your pin does not have to be engaged here. We will do what we call a tool engage, where it'll actually turn and engage that pin there, so you don't have to try and line that up. Your connectors on the back of your motor here, we have a male and a female. You can see simple push-pull connectors. So this connector is from your drive bracket. This connector is going to your handheld. You simply connect those two and walk back. So now we'll move back. You have a 50-foot cord that comes with the kit. So as a point of reference, if you stretch your cord out, you know you're 50 feet away. Turn on the handheld. We'll get a greeting screen here, remote racking, Square D Masterpact, keyline being the color code. And these are our general safety screens you'll get before you rack a breaker. So we want to make sure we start with the charged battery. Press enter to verify the actuator assembly is in park, so push enter. So it verifies that the actuator that comes out and pushes on the interlock on that breaker is parked in the reset position. Please verify you're at a safe distance from the equipment. Again, 50-foot cord. Now, it has you select test to connect or disconnect to connect. So we have several different options here. And we're going to rack the breaker from connect to disconnect. So you can see we slow down at the end of racking, so we're not slamming into the hard stop at the end. So it goes nice and slow, looking for that interlock to pop out, and actually physically feel a hard stop at the end instead of just slamming into the hard stops. It parks the actuator and then tells you the operation is complete, the breaker is in disconnect. At that point, you just power down.